So here's Aura app. So this is the app for Oura Ring, the revolutionary smart ring that translates your body's most meaningful messages to transform how you feel every day. Award-winning Aura app is your personal health companion, delivering valuable insights and daily recommendations to help you make health and wellness a daily practice. 3 daily scopes, accurate by design, best-in-class sleep monitoring, advanced activity tracking, like stress resilience, understand how daily stress is affecting your body and learn how to be more resilient, recovery, illness detection, track habits. So they claim everything can be done with this kind of app. Maybe they are promising a bit, but if you like Oura Ring, then that's basically the app for that, where you can just track and see all of these details just in one app. And then just basically this is how it looks like. And then you can just tap to explore. There are all these like meditation techniques. Then there are some, if you want, you can just explore like breathing. But yeah, for proper thing, obviously you need to start and connect at your Oura Ring. If you don't have it, you can just be redirected to and buy this ring, like Oura Ring 4, third generation, 279. So yeah, that's basically the idea.